My name is Kathleen Winters, and I ride a 4th level Oldenburg horse. He's 13 years old, and I ride dressage. My horse was diagnosed with degenerative joint disease after diagnostic treatment at a hospital and was recommended to be retired.
When I was first introduced to Kat from the veterinarian, she was at her wit's end because she did not want to retire her horse. She had bred this horse, raised him.
When I was first told by the veterinarian that my horse may be retired, I was devastated. This horse is my teammate. I have bred this horse. I have raised this horse. We work together, and it's like cutting off your right arm. So I was ecstatic when the Pegasus laser therapy came in for me. Sorry. Because I got my teammate back and we did well. I had no plans on retiring this horse, and I had reached out to my vet of 30 plus years, and he introduced me to the Pegasus laser, and Denise came out and we started lasering, doing treatments right away.
Kat was very skeptical about laser therapy because she had seen other types of lasers at different horse shows, and they didn't seem to be very powerful, and she never heard of any great results. But she was so desperate to save her horse and to be able to continue riding him that she was willing to try it.
I decided to give laser a chance because I have such faith in my vet, and he recommended it, and I wanted to do anything I could to help my horse, and so I wanted to give it a try. I believe I noticed in the first 3 weeks. I think the first 2 weeks I was kind of lying to myself, like, is this really happening? Is he doing okay? And then by the 3rd week I thought, wow, he really is, something's happening here. And then it just progressively got better and better after that, and he has not taken a single bad step since. My horse was insured and still is, and thankfully the insurance company went ahead and paid for the first several weeks of treatments. I think they paid for 24 treatments. Since then I keep him in a maintenance program, and I am very happy with the results and will continue the maintenance program throughout his life. I did not have to retire this horse, and he at the time was a 2nd level horse. Since then, he has progressed up into 4th level. He's doing his tempi changes, he's doing pirouettes, and he's doing it happily, like there's never been an issue. We are continuing to show. I just received my bronze medal on him, and I expect us to continue to climb up the ladder. The Pegasus laser therapy, for me, is innovative, effective, and it just plain works. I would definitely recommend laser therapy to others, and I have. I think that it is a fantastic way to keep your horses in shape. I have seen amazing results with my own animal, and I do not see any other reason not to.